All right, good evening, guys. Ken at Tortoise Capital, nightly strategy podcast for October 27th. So this is an example of the Kata 2 challenge by Griff Cooper, who's survived and graduated from the systems design course and turned the Kata 2 challenge into a robust, workable system that he's now got a great home study course on, along with the applied system development course and the Thinkorswim platform with the owl and the tortoise and sniper style screen layouts for it. So that thing is bulletproof and ready to go. You can see that he's got a Kata 2 entry here after this double top, which nets him a half an R. He plays the stop and reverse on the PSAR flip. That fails quickly for minus 0.81. That's a stop and reverse, and that just takes off. In the advanced course, we would be looking at adding second positions here and here on the automatic 2R entry, but he uses a recommended 1R trailing stop here and gets the benefit of this beautiful move. Net 6.48. If you use the advanced entries, you probably pick up another 4. So there was anywhere from 6.5 to 10 was available. So nice work from Griff.